Hello everyone. Today I'm comparing the Citi Double Cash versus Wells Fargo Active Cash, two of the best 2% cashback cards in 2025. Citi gives you 1% when you buy and another 1% when you pay. No annual fee, has a good mobile app and widely accepted, while Wells Fargo gives 2% back on everything instantly. Plus, it offers a $200 welcome bonus after you spend $500 in 3 months. So let's try to know the key differences between the two. Citi splits your cash back. Wells give it upfront. Wells also has better intro APR offers and cell phone protection. So which one's better? If you want simplicity and bonus perks, go with Wells Fargo. If you prefer long-term use and don't mind delayed rewards, Citi is solid. So both are great for everyday spending. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and goals in 2025.